Max, look out the window.
Yes, I see it.
It is raining.
It is raining a lot.
Rain. A lot of rain.
Yes, it is a rainy day.
A rainy day.
I like rainy days.
You like rainy days?
Yes, I do. Do you like rainy days, Lily?
Sometimes. Sometimes I like rain. Sometimes I do not like rain.
I understand. Rain can be nice. Rain can also be a problem.
A problem?
Yes, if you go outside, you get wet.
Wet. Yes. I do not like to be wet.
No one likes to be wet and cold.
Wet and cold. That is not fun.
That is why we stay inside today.
Stay inside. Yes. It is warm inside.
It is warm and dry inside.
Warm and dry. That is nice.
Max, if I go outside in the rain, what do I need?
That is a good question, Lily.
I want to stay dry.
Of course, you need special clothes.
Special clothes for rain?
Yes, clothes for a rainy day.
Tell me, what clothes?
First, you need a raincoat.
A raincoat.
Yes, a raincoat is a jacket. It stops the rain. It keeps your body dry.
A jacket that stops rain.
Exactly. Raincoats are waterproof.
Waterproof. What does waterproof mean?
Waterproof means water cannot go through it.
Ah, water cannot go through. I understand.
Good. So you wear a raincoat on your body.
Raincoat on my body. What else?
Next, you need rain boots.
Rain boots? Boots?
Yes, boots are tall shoes. Rain boots are waterproof shoes.
Waterproof shoes for my feet.
Yes, they keep your feet dry.
Feet stay dry. I like that.
Rain boots are also called Wellington boots or wellies.
Wellies. That is a fun word.
It is a fun word, wellies.
Wellies keep my feet dry.
Yes, and do not forget an umbrella.
An umbrella.
You hold an umbrella over your head.
Over my head. It stops the rain on my head.
Yes, it keeps your head and shoulders dry.
So 3 things. Raincoat, wellies, umbrella.
You remembered everything. Good job, Lily.
Thank you, Max. So we stay inside today.
Yes, it is better to stay inside.
But what can we do inside?
There are many things we can do.
Many things? Like what?
Well, we can read a book.
Read a book? I like reading.
I know you do. I have many books on my shelf.
What kind of books?
All kinds. Storybooks, picture books, learning books.
Reading is relaxing.
It is very relaxing. The sound of rain makes reading better.
The sound of rain?
Listen, do you hear it?
Yes, the rain makes a soft sound.
Pitter-patter, pitter-patter.
Pitter-patter. That is the sound of rain.
It is calming, right?
Yes, calming. Very calming.
So reading a book is one idea.
What is another idea?
We can watch a movie.
Oh, I love movies.
Me too. A rainy day is perfect for a movie.
What movie can we watch?
We can choose together. Maybe a comedy or an adventure story.
I like adventure stories.
Adventure it is with popcorn.
Popcorn. Yes, please.
We can make popcorn in a kitchen.
Popcorn and a movie. That sounds wonderful.
Rainy days can be fun.
I am learning that. Rainy days are not boring.
Not at all. They are cozy.
Cozy. What does cozy mean?
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and safe.
Like this room right now.
Exactly. Being inside, warm and dry with a friend.
I feel cozy, Max.
I feel cozy too, Lily.
What are you making, Max?
I am making hot tea.
Hot tea. That sounds perfect.
On a cold, rainy day, a hot drink is the best.
A hot drink warms you up.
Yes, warms you from the inside.
What kind of tea?
I have green tea, black tea, and herbal tea.
So many choices.
Herbal tea is good for relaxing. Chamomile tea.
Chamomile. I have never tried it.
It tastes soft and sweet. You will like it.
Okay, I will try chamomile tea.
Good choice. Do you want milk or sugar in your tea?
Just a little sugar, please.
1 spoon of sugar.
Yes, 1 spoon. Thank you.
Here you go. Your hot chamomile tea.
It smells nice.
Smell it first, then take a small sip.
Okay, smell. Now sip. Ah, it is hot.
Blow on it first.
Blow on the tea. Okay, now sip. It is good. Very soft and sweet.
I told you, tea and a rainy day go together.
They go together, like friends.
Exactly. Now, let's make the popcorn.
How do you make popcorn?
We have a popcorn maker, but we can also make it on the stove.
On the stove? I want to learn.
It is easy. You need oil, corn kernels, and a pot with a lid.
Oil, corn, a pot, and a lid.
First, put a little oil in the pot. Heat the oil.
Heat the oil. Okay.
Then add the corn kernels. Just one layer of kernels.
One layer, not too many.
Right. Then put the lid on and wait.
Wait for what?
Listen. After a minute, you will hear a sound.
A sound?
Pop, pop, pop.
The corn puddles pop.
Yes, the kernels pop and become popcorn.
That is like magic.
It is kitchen magic. When the popping stops, the popcorn is ready.
Can we make it now?
Sure. Watch and listen.
Pop, pop. I hear it. It is popping.
It is working. See the lid moving?
Yes, it is full of popcorn now.
The sound stopped. It is ready.
Wow, fresh popcorn. It smells so good.
Let's add a little salt.
A little salt. Perfect. Now we have tea and popcorn.
We have everything we need. Let's go back to the sofa.
Yes, movie time.
Are you comfortable, Lily?
Yes, the blanket is so soft.
Good. I will start the movie now.
What movie did we choose?
An adventure movie about a friendly explorer.
An explorer? Where does the explorer go?
To a jungle, a place with many trees, animals, and rivers.
That sounds exciting.
It is. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's watch.
Pressing play now.
Oh, the picture is beautiful.
The colors are very bright.
Even on a rainy day, the movie brings sunshine.
That is a nice way to say it.
The movie brings sunshine inside.
I like that, Lily. You are becoming a poet.
A poet? No, just happy.
Happiness is good. Here, have some more popcorn.
Thank you. This is a good day.
Even with the rain?
Yes, the rain is outside, but we are happy inside.
That is the secret. A rainy day is what you make it.
A rainy day is what you make it. I will remember that.
Now, let's watch The Explorer. Shh, the movie is starting. Okay, quiet now.
Sip my tea, eat popcorn, watch the movie.
That is the recipe for a perfect rainy day.
The recipe.
Yes, recipe means a set of instructions, like for cooking.
Ah, the recipe for a perfect rainy day. Movie, popcorn, tea, and a friend.
And a warm blanket.
And a warm blanket. The most important part.
I thought I was the most important part.
You are the friend, Max. The friend is in the recipe.
Good. Now, really, let's watch.
Watching now.
Look, Lily, the rain stopped.
It did? Oh yes, the window is clear.
No more pitter-patter.
The movie is over and the rain is over.
Perfect timing.
Can we go outside now?
We can, but wear your raincoat and boots.
Even if the rain stopped?
Yes, the ground is still wet.
Wet ground. Puddles.
Puddles! Yes, there will be puddles everywhere.
Puddles are pools of water on the ground.
That's right. And with your rain boots, you can jump in them.
Jump in puddles? Really?
Of course. That is the best part of a rainy day.
I want to jump in puddles.
Let's get ready. Raincoat on.
Raincoat on, rain boots on.
No need for an umbrella now. The sun is coming out.
Look, a rainbow.
Wow, a beautiful rainbow.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
You know all the colors.
The rainbow is so pretty. After the rain comes a rainbow.
That is a good lesson. After something hard, something beautiful can come.
I like that. After rain, a rainbow.
Ready to go out?
Ready. Let's go find puddles.
I know the biggest puddle in the park.
The biggest puddle? Let's go.
Walk slowly. The ground is slippery.
Slippery, wet and easy to fall.
Yes, be careful. Hold my hand.
Okay, holding your hand.
Let's enjoy the fresh air.
The air smells clean, like water and earth.
That smell is called petrichor.
Petric ore, a new word, the smell after rain.
You learn fast, Lily.
I have a good teacher, Max.
Thank you. Now puddle number 1 is right there.
I see it, a big puddle. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Big splash.
Again.
As many times as you want.
Best rainy day ever.
Best rainy day ever indeed.